guys, welcome to RJ's World, and today we have the walking robot.
Whoa, it's a Tinker Crate. Make an electric, what does it say? Powered android and experiment with mechanical motion. What?
That's so cool.
That is. Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's go. This looks like a blueprint.
We have the instructions.
Walking robot.
We have the instructions. We have Tinkerzyme. We have,
Ooh, a Tinkerzyme
we
book.
have, what are these parts?
Whoa. I don't know.
got-
Let's see.
Wooden parts.
Some more parts.
We got these.
What's
And we
this?
have these cogs.
Is that everything?
Well, we got this.
Battery use instructions. Paper.
So I have to search for every piece, which is
So this is everything RJ's gonna look for and work on. So this is how to build the body. And then this portion, I don't know if you guys can see, is the limbs. So we're gonna just time lapse this and show you guys the final product.
battery pack.
So that's the battery pack.
We got the AA battery,
Yep, the AA battery.
and we got the motor.
Well, show it like this. Here's the motor. And then this is the what?
This is the body
This is the body piece.
piece.
There is the outside, this is the inside, and it shows you where you're gonna put everything.
I also need the dowel and the gears. And the gears too. Don't forget that.
Okay. So we're just gonna time lapse again. So RJ just put the dowel in, and now he's placing the gears on each
struggling.
side.
I'm struggling to put the gear on.
Did it go in the hole?
It says step 8 says press the cranks onto the drive shaft with one arm pointing and the other up.
Do you even have the cranks?
You don't even have the
You don't even have the cranks out.
I don't have.
You never got them out.
Where are the cranks?
Probably somewhere over there.
Probably somewhere in there. Okay. Let me get them out of their cranks. And then. Hey, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
I like PMB. Not finished with this product yet, but it said stop and test.
Oh, it's working.
It works.
Do you see it moving? Look at that.
This
It's
is
rotating.
the best invention
Okay, turn it off.
ever.
And now we're gonna work on
Now we're gonna work
making the limbs.
making the limbs.
Okay. Okay, guys, RJ's gonna test out his robot. Let's see if it works. It's walking! Okay, uh-oh. Now put him on the floor, turn it off. Okay. Let's see if he can walk to mommy.
Hold on.
Come here, little baby. Come to mommy. You made a robot, RJ. I'm so proud of you.
This is the best invention ever.
Come to me. Come to me. Aw, you made it. Okay. You like your robot?
Yeah, I do.
So what do you want to tell the people?
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Yep, see you later.
Bye.
Bye.